What's up, cutie gang? It's a girl playing Jane, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how to make spring twist hair for the fraction of the price. So if you want to see how I did that, stay tuned. Also, like, comment, subscribe to my channel. It's gonna help you. No, it's gonna help you. It's gonna help me. It's gonna help everybody. Play my intro. For this tutorial, you're gonna need a white tooth comb, you're gonna need some bobby pins, a scissor, any type of hair grease available to you. You're gonna need a conditioner, you're gonna need your straws, and then you're gonna need your braiding hair, which can be expression hair if you're in the US, or darling hair, which comes in the style superstar, and it's much more affordable than expression hair. I couldn't use expression hair because I couldn't find it anywhere near me at the time. It was sold out actually, because everyone has been buying expression hair. So what I'm doing right now is taking the hair out of the packet, and then I'm just leveling the hair out. So for this tutorial, you're gonna need to divide the hair into 3 sections. So you're gonna level it out, make it equal, make 3 parts and make it equal to each other, and then cut it out. After you've now cut your hair into 3 equal pieces, you're gonna stretch out your hair. So for this process, you need patience and you need to do your work really well, because the more you stretch it out, or the better you stretch it out, the better result you're gonna get with this tutorial. So stretch out your hair thinly, beautifully. Like, take time, baby girl, take time. So while you're combing out your hair, stretching out your hair, you're gonna add some grease, and this just makes the hair really like silky and smooth and makes the comb glide through it. It also helps to add shine to the hair while you're wrapping up the hair. You'll see later on. So let's get to the part which we all came here for. You're gonna take your piece of hair, and then you're gonna take a straw, and then you loop the hair onto the straw, and then you twist the hair, and then you gotta wrap the hair around the straw. You gotta wrap it really tightly around the straw until the ends, until the hair finishes. If the strands of hair is not too long, then you wrap it back up onto the straw. Yeah, that's basically it. So I'm going to show you guys 3 times how to do this, because it's pretty easy, guys. Just make sure you don't buy flimsy straws. Make sure your straws are sturdy, because mine were actually flimsy. That's why I had like a really hard time. As you can see, my first try was basically a flop, but my second and third try, baby girl, that's where it's at. Just a quick reminder, please like, comment and subscribe to my channel. If you guys have a better method of doing this, please give me some suggestions or help me do a better job, because this is not going to be my last time doing this. I'm going to do this again and again, because girl, the results are unmatched, baby girl. So y'all, let's talk about the fact that nobody talks about how expensive spring twist hair actually is. Like, you can pay $10 like US dollars for just one pack of spring twist hair, which is really unnecessarily, when you can have it or where you can make it yourself. So if you have time on your hands and want to make some spring twist hair for yourself, just buy your expression braids and do it yourself. Like, it comes out like really nice. And expression braids just cost like $2 at your beauty supply, and it's just like $60 to $80 in Namibia. So you can really just make your own hair instead of being like robbed. Because I went on AliExpress. Not even AliExpress has like good vendors for spring twist hair. I went on Amazon and it's like really expensive, and then the shipping, no, we're not doing that. I am gonna go through this one more time. So you take your straw, you take your hair, then you loop the hair into the straw, onto the straw, then you twist the hair so it can be tight, and then you wrap the hair around the straw until the bottom, or until the hair finishes. If your hair is too long for the straw, then you wrap the hair back up to the straw. This will help secure the hair. So if you feel that your hair is gonna come off, secure the hair with a bobby pin at the top, and if you feel it's also loose at the bottom, secure it with another bobby pin at the bottom so that the hair doesn't unravel. When you're done wrapping all the hair, you put the hair into a container or into a huge bucket, and then you're gonna add your conditioner to your hair, and then you pour in your warm water. Not warm water, hot water. So for this to work, you have to use hot water, and please submerge all of your hair in the water. Make sure your hair is covered completely by the hot water. So I'll add one and then add another jar of warm water. So yeah, and then you leave the hair in the water for say 10 to 20 minutes, or until the water runs cold, and then you remove the hair from the water, and then you lay it down on a towel, and then you leave it to air dry overnight. If it's not dry by the next morning, leave it to dry completely. It has to be completely dry for you to be able to reap the benefits of your labor. So I just want to show you guys, these are the results if you do not do your job correctly. If you do not wrap the hair tightly around the straw, this is what you're gonna get. You're gonna get like really loose curls, which look like water wave curls, and that's not what you want unless this is the desired look you're looking for. So please make sure you wrap the hair tightly around the straw so you can get the perfect curl. So if you've now left your hair until the next day and all your hair is dry, then you can spray your hair with sheen spray. I do not have sheen spray, so I used my grease that I used to thin out or to make the hair more softer. So these are my results, guys, and I think this is really cute. Look at it. It looks so cute. It looks bomb, y'all, and I'm gonna do this again and again, guys. So please like, comment, and subscribe, because guys, I'm putting you on to some new stuff. So guys, please like the video, please subscribe to my channel, and I love y'all. Peace out.